Hello, and welcome to my individual midterm presentation. This is Bree Sutherland, a member of Final Project Team, the A-Team. Our team members include Bill Lesage, Ray Prato, Melissa Scully, Shanette Webb, and myself. We communicate regularly through Gmail, Google Docs within the Google Cloud, and Google Hangouts. Today, I will be talking about our chosen topic, open source versus commercial CMS LMS as e-learning management solutions. I will be specifically discussing the area of financial considerations. During the eLearning Manager's development of the eLearning Project Management Plan, the ADDIE model, Analyze, Design, Develop, Implementation, and Evaluation, calls for determining the mode of delivery in the early planning stages. Let's consider the following scenario. When preparing for my research, I decided to think about this as a real-life case study. This helped me to put on my eLearning Manager hat, much like I do in real life at my organization, but consider solely the financial implications. In order to do so, I created the following scenario in which to frame my research. The University of Illinois at Urbana-Champaign has issued a call for proposal to identify the best method for delivering its curriculum online for a 2015 MBA program. The university's e-learning management faculty have identified both open source and commercial CMS LMS systems as proposed solution to meet their program's need. As we have learned so far in this course, there are many aspects to e-learning management. The financial considerations, budgets, ROI, are a critical part of this. Let's first learn what open source and commercial CMS LMS systems are. What is open source? It provides universal access to a product's design and universal redistribution of that design, including subsequent improvements to it by anyone. So what's unique about open source? It's very flexible in curriculum and course design, can be changed or improved upon easily, supports pedagogy, for example, forum, polls, and live chats. It's integratable with virtual learning environments such as Blackboard Collaborate, and has large communities of developers that are continuously improving and customizing source code. What are the financial considerations for open source? Well, it's free. However, it requires dedicated IT infrastructure, for example, a server. Also requires database and registration integration. It also requires staffing the infrastructure I just mentioned, as well as internal staff to build and support courses. Additionally, it may require hiring outside developers if custom needs are not available within the community. Now let's talk about what a commercial CMS LMS is. The most common definition is a software application for the administration, documentation, tracking, reporting, and delivering of e-learning education courses. A robust LMS should provide integration with your organization's database, has administration capabilities, has content development capabilities, typically offering a suite of content development tools, has content integration flexibility, for example, SCORM, and the now new that's on the scene, which is Experience API or Tin Can, has assessment components, and provides security. What are the financial considerations for a commercial? Well, there is an initial startup or initial adoption fee. Typically, there's an annual licensing fee as well, and a per-user seat licensing fee. Additionally, there are costs for modifications. And customizations can be costly as the organization is tied to the vendor. So far in my research, I have learned that there is not a clear answer as to whether open source or commercial are the best solution. It is up to the eLearning Manager to consider their needs and weigh the options in the other areas of e-learning management. I will leave you with a quote I found from an interview with Tony Bates. I use the sections model. It's an acronym: students, ease of use, cost, teaching, integration, organizational issues, novelty, speed, and security. It's a complex decision-making process. There are so many tools out there. We really need to be more sophisticated with our use of technology than we've been. That means thinking about a lot of factors when making that choice. I hope you've enjoyed my individual presentation. I've just scratched the surface here. Myself and my team look forward to presenting you with our complete research paper on this topic towards the end of the course. Thank you.